On the morning of 8 August 2024, members of the Khasi Students Union staged a protest outside the Meghalaya Public Service Commission Mpsc office in Shillong. Demonstrators carried banners and chanted slogans accusing the Mpsc of catering exclusively to the elite. The protest was in response to the Commission's failure to address concerns about irregularities in its recruitment process. In light of the situation, the KSU will continue with the sit-in demonstration outside the office of the Mpsc until their demands are met. The president of the KSU, Lombok Star Marngar, criticized the Mpsc for not considering the students' suggestions regarding recruitment for government positions. He also raised questions about the Commission's transparency in handling recent requests from the KSU, specifically concerning the display of marks from recent examinations.
Catering Mpsc! No! Catering Mpsc! No! Catering Mpsc! No!
Hakane klip mat inyo bantang yung niu ting shop da inong ilam ting shop kum gadak jo ji persya ya ka jingkuman bat ka jingle bamsat nyo jong ka Mpsc ya ki jingdawa jong ka seng berkum ju hiru jong ka jalber hi brahoi hadin jo ni jingthang ting shop nagar pat bakir pariami rekhot indan biang ni ini song biang ni
The ICFA University Meghalaya Admission Open 2024. The university offers program courses in the schools of Management, Humanities, Social Sciences and Science and Technologies for both undergraduate and postgraduate programs, UG and PG programs. Full-time campus programs offered under the undergraduate programs are BBA, BCA, BCom, BTTM, BA, Economics, Political Science, English and Education. For PG programs are MBA, MCom, MTTM, MCA, MA, Political Science, English and Education, MA Khasi, MSW and MA Music. For further information and details, visit or contact the ICFA University Meghalaya Shillong campus, Powerville near Shillong Law College, Dhangati, Meghalaya. Phone number 0364 222 0057. 94851 58603 700 505 7728 8794 250646.